So these are my lip kits in the shade Sugar Beet. And Sugar Beet is just a plum, sugary, plum, beautiful color. And I feel like Sugar Beet is a great nighttime color. And I'm just making sure I take the lip liner and get all the lines of my lips. So when I apply the liquid lipstick, it has something to adhere to. Then I'm gonna take the matching liquid lipstick and this, and that's with one dip, one swipe, making sure I emphasize my Cupid's bow. And again, this is in the shade Sugar Beet. It's just like really a good sultry plum, burgundy almost lip shade.